In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively undo actions in Jotform, a powerhouse tool for creating online forms and gathering data with ease. Imagine you've spent hours crafting the perfect form. Each question meticulously thought out, each field perfectly aligned, and then in a moment of haste, you accidentally delete a vital section. Panic sets in, all that hard work gone in a blink. But fear not, because undoing that mistake is simpler than you might think. Let's dive straight into how you can reverse such mishaps and keep your form creation process smooth and stress-free. First, you'll want to make your way over to Jotform's website. If you're not already familiar, Jotform is an incredible platform that allows you to build forms for virtually any purpose, from customer surveys to event registrations. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the sign in page. Now, if you're like many of us, you enjoy the convenience of using your Google account to log into various services. Jotform supports this feature, making it super easy to sign in with just a few clicks. Alternatively, if you have connected your Jotform account to another platform, you could use that method as well. Just select the relevant option that works for you and proceed to authenticate yourself. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the My Forms section. This is where all your form creations live. You'll see a list of all the forms you've worked on, each one representing a project you've poured effort into. Browse through this list and identify the form you wish to edit, the one where that not-so-little mishap occurred. After locating the form, go ahead and select it. You'll notice an Edit Form option becomes available. Clicking this will launch the Form Builder interface, a robust environment where all the magic of form creation happens. This interactive platform is where you can add, remove, and modify the elements of your form. To add a new element to your form, which could be anything from a simple text field to a complex survey question, look for the Add Element button within the Form Builder. Upon clicking this, you'll be presented with a plethora of element options to choose from. Once you find the element that suits your needs, you can simply drag and drop it into your form. This drag and drop functionality makes it super intuitive to design and customize your form to fit your exact requirements. Now let's address the inevitable making mistakes. Perhaps you accidentally delete a section or move things around unintentionally. It happens to the best of us. The good news is undoing that mistake is just a keyboard shortcut away. By simply pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, you can step back through your recent actions, one by one, reversing any unwanted changes. This shortcut is a lifeline, ensuring that no mistake is too big to fix. Remember, form creation is an iterative process. It's all about trial and error, experimenting to see what works best for your needs, and with Jotform's user-friendly interface, coupled with the safety net of being able to undo your actions, you're well equipped to create forms that not only look great, but function perfectly too. Though it may seem like a small feature, the ability to undo actions in Jotform is incredibly powerful. It gives you the freedom to explore different layouts and element arrangements without the fear of making irreversible mistakes. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, safe in the knowledge that you can always take a step back if needed. And with that, you now know how to effectively undo actions in Jotform, making your form creation process smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned form builder or just starting out, remembering this simple yet crucial step can save you from potential frustration and help you maintain your flow of creativity. So, go ahead, give it a try. Dive back into your Jotform projects with renewed confidence, knowing that you have all the tools you need to effortlessly reverse any mistakes and perfect your forms. Happy form building!